Hello and welcome to another episode of Our Spanish Patio. There are thousands and thousands of YouTube channels about gardening, and it's hard to know which ones to check out other than ours, of course. So today I'm going to tell you my 3 favorite YouTube channels, each slightly different to the other. Number 1, Garden Answer. This is more outdoor gardening than indoor, but it's an American family from Oregon out of all places, and they're fantastic. They're super useful, really easy to understand, entertaining, genuine. They got a video for everything. Really are very good.
Is it more for people like me? Like
Anyone.
Newbie gardeners, or more people like you that know their stuff?
Both. Very easy to understand. They do daily videos, so there's videos about everything from all kinds of particular plants or cactus. I mean, it's really good. Definitely worth checking out.
Good. Moving on. Number 2.
Number 2, The Rusted Garden. This one is, again, it's an American one, and it's mainly to do with if you're trying to grow fruit and veg, but in a patio type home environment, not like in a farm, you know. So if you wanted to have a little go at growing some tomatoes or some peppers or stuff like that in your patio, in your garden, a little raised bed, the guy explains things really well, tells you exactly what you need to do. Doesn't go on too long, not too short, not too hot, not too spicy. Perfect. Check him out.
Is he funny though? Because we're funny.
He's not funny. But if you're trying to figure out how to grow some cucumbers, sometimes you want the funny to go away and just the instructions to pop along.
I'm not sure about that. I like funny.
I haven't found any funny veg ones yet. If you're thinking of growing any kind of fruit or veg, The Rusted Garden.
Link in the description.
Link in the description below. Hit the bell, subscribe to my channel.
Number 3.
Number 3, Betsy Begonia. She's an American that lives in Paris.
Hi, Betsy.
Hey, Betsy, how you doing? This is purely for houseplants, indoor plants, people living in apartments, that kind of thing. So this applies to a lot of people. Great. Okay, and the thing I like about her, and the thing I think you would like about her, is that she's an absolute Fruit Loop. She's just loony. She's funny.
She's Betsy.
She's crazy. She's a Fruit Loop. She's like a crazy cat lady, but a young one, and she's fun. It's hard not to like her. So for a little bit of light entertainment, once you've got bored of your cucumbers and fruits and things like that from The Rusted Garden, hop over to Betsy Begonia for a little bit of light relief.
And you can come to us as well for a little bit of largely light.
Yeah, we're all about the fluff and not about the content, aren't we? We're kind of the fluffers of YouTube gardening channels.
That's right. So to recap, number 1,
Garden Answer.
Number 2,
The Rusted Garden.
And number 3,
Betsy Godlover Begonia,
aka Fruit Loop.
La Fruit Loop Française.
La Fruit Loop Française. So anyway, that's 3 great channels for you. Stop watching us right now and go check them out. I know I will, because I don't know any of them. I think I have heard of Betsy Begonia, but not the rest.
You gotta watch her, man. She is just lovely. You just want to give her a cuddle.
All right, so let's go watch Betsy.